This is a product that I used when I started learning to make jewellery, and it's for when you need to flux your pieces when you're soldering. So currently we've been using a lot of handy flux in the class, and it's great and still a really good product. But if you'd like something that's a little bit more environmentally friendly, a little bit less toxic, then this can be a really good option for you. I really love this dish because it has a nice high side, and it means your bench is not going to end up really, really dirty. So to use these borax cones, we basically add a couple of drops of water in a little dish, and then we get our cone and we grind it to create a little paste. And this dish is unglazed, so it's a little bit rougher, and it means that the borax can start to grind off the cone and create a little paste. So you can see that there's quite a sticky little paste being created in the bottom there. I'll probably add a little bit more water and grind a little bit more, and then that will be ready to solder and use as a flux rather than using the handy flux. If you leave this on your bench, then you need to clean it out every now and again because it'll get quite dusty sitting on the bench when you're working, and you want to have a really clean flux when you're soldering because otherwise it will impact your solder. So every now and again, just give this a really good wash. You can also wash your cone as well if it starts to get quite dirty. Just run it under some water, same thing with this, and it'll clean right up again. These cones last for absolutely ages. They're really good value for money. You do want quite a thick paste. So it's a little bit more effort than just opening a jar and painting it on, but it is quite a little bit more environmentally friendly, a little bit less toxic. So that's generally what we use that for.